Hello, hi, and welcome. You're here at Vegans Are Business because you are probably an owner of a bar, restaurant, or hotel, and you have noticed that there's a trend that's called veganism, a trend that won't go away anytime soon. My name is Barbara Ross, and I'm here to help you step into the potential of this vibrant growing market and make a shitload of money from it. So if you don't have time to wait for my next video, please just go straight to vegansarebusiness.com, download the free guide and get started, because there is a potential right there. It might not be clear to you why that is, but trust me, for now it's a win-win situation for everybody. So I'll see you around, or I'll see you on my website, vegansarebusiness.com.